Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just want to show you a bit more about one of our products. So this is the Rook EMF Meter, made by Ghost Stop. So it's one of the more expensive versions because it's really high quality. As well as having the lights to tell you how much EMF it's picking up, it's also got sound. And on the back there's a nice little sticker. So the lights start from the inside and work their way up as it gets stronger. So you can see that from the label. It also comes with this nice neat little carry pouch, which you can clip onto your belt or your trousers or whatever. So basically how I'd use this is, you can either walk around with it at your haunted location, and if you start picking up a reading, you can investigate into whether it's anything man-made, such as power cables, any magnets lying around, electrical equipment. Make sure everyone's airplane mode's on silent, and if it can't be put down to anything man-made, it could then be paranormal, so then you can start doing other things like a spirit box session or an EVP recorder. So we'll just show you in operation. So we've got battery first. Alright, so we've got the battery cover on the back. It just pops off. Takes a 9-volt square battery. And then we've got the power switch here. So that's your indicator to tell you the device is on. And then here we also have our EMF pump, which creates EMF. So this is another product we make for giving spirits more energy to make more activity. But this can trigger this. So this detects EMF, this creates EMF. So if I turn it on, bring it close to the device, see it's picking up a little bit of EMF. As we get closer, you can just start hearing the sound. The closer you get, the more lights light up and the louder the sound gets. Yeah, so that's the Rook in operation. So if you're interested in one of these, I'll leave the link to the products in the description. Thanks for watching.